Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you top 5 memo coins you can buy with just $10 and become a millionaire within a year. I'm going to show you step by step on how to purchase these coins, the exchange where you can find them, and the other necessary informations you need to know before buying these coins. So make sure you stay tuned and watch this video to the end so that you will not miss any step. Welcome back. My name is Richardo. In this tutorial, we're going to use Hotbit exchange. In case you currently don't have a Hotbit exchange account, I will leave a link below which you can use to register and start trading. If you use my referral link to register, you will get $5 welcome bonus. So let's start and make money together. So right now, I'm going over to my Hotbit app to show you those coins and the step by step on how to purchase them. Please, if this is your first time of joining my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Click the like button so that YouTube can share this video to other people to watch. When you like this video, it will enable YouTube to share this video to others for them to watch. Please like and share. So we are here on Hotbit. The very first thing you need to do is to convert the USDT you have to NUSD, because that's what we will be using for this transaction. So the first thing, you go to fund, look for your USDT. I don't have enough USD, but I'll just show you. You go to USDT and you come to convert. So whatever USDT you have, you convert it to any USD. So 1 USDT is equals to 1 billion NUSD. So if you want to place maximum, you can click maximum. This is what I have here. Or you input the number of how many dollars you want to convert to NUSD. And then you come here and click convert. Now that you have converted your USDT to NUSD, so let's move over to the coins we are going to buy with it. One good thing about these coins we are going to show you is that they are newly launched coins and they are very cheap right now. And if you can buy this coin right now that is still cheap, you will make a lot of profit. Those who get in early, they always make profit from those coins. So if you can get in early with as little as $10 and you're able to be patient, you're patient enough to wait for these coins to go up, you definitely are going to make a lot of profit. So the very first coin we are going to look at is called Dogecoin, which is here. Dogecoin was launched on October 2021. Of course, you know that whenever a coin is being launched new, the price always go up. But after that, see, the highest price they have gone up to is 0.00044. And right now, due to from then till now, Bitcoin have been going down so much, and all the coins have been going down. And right now, here is where the price is. So if you buy this coin with $10 right now, you are going to make a lot of profit. The second coin is Chimson. Also, this coin was also launched in November 2021, and the highest price they have gone up to is 0.00019. You can see the movement of the coin since when it was launched, and here a day ago it move up. So if you buy this coin right now, you also make a lot of profits in nearby future. Number 3 is Shiba Doge. This token was launched in December 2021. It went up to here and later dropped to here. So if you buy this coin right now, you also make profit as soon as Bitcoin starts to move up. As you can see, that is following Bitcoin. When the Bitcoin drop, it will drop, and when Bitcoin goes up, it will also go up. Then the number 4 is votes. This one was launched in February 2022. You see, the first time it was launched, it went up high, very, very high, and this is where it is. So if you buy this coin right now and this price go up back to where it was when it was launched new, you make a lot of profit. Or if you're able to wait for this coin to remove all these zeros, or at least 3 to 4 zeros, you make profit from it. The 5th coin is SHIB True. This one was also launched in February 2022, and you can see the movement of the coin. So these are the 5 coins you can buy with just $10. When you use $10, you buy it in trillions. You can buy it in trillions, and if you are patient enough that this coin remove 5 zeros out of it, you're going to make a lot of profit. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.